Hello and welcome to Weekly Kashmir University's Video Digest Quest. First, a look at the highlights. DSW organizes seminar on differently abled persons. 10-day workshop for entrepreneurs commence. And Law Department organizes function on anti-corruption. Now, the details with your host, Shima. The Department of Students' Welfare organized a 2-day seminar on differently able, assess, development and equality. The inaugural function of the seminar was held in Gandhi Bhavan Auditorium. Coordinator Special Cell, Mr. Shahil Muhammad, while presenting welcome address, highlighted the rights of differently abled people.
At international level, it has been a golden jubilee era for the person with disabilities, because on this date, certain rights which are basic human rights have been recognized by the international community for the person with disabilities. And in our side, it is just a decade that this right has been recognized by our legislators. And in this connection, we have been given certain privileges that we get education, employment, and other social services. From that, we were empowered to get maximum benefits from the basic services.
Dean Student Welfare and Dean Applied Sciences, Professor Nilofer Khan, stressed on the importance of sensitizing people about problems faced by differently able persons in universities.
While having refresher courses and orientation courses, some special lectures should be kept for the participants so that we sensitize them towards the special problems that our special students face in colleges or at the universities. But I'm sure that, our laws are not flawless anywhere for our special students, but it's our own awareness in our own institutions, awareness with the persons themselves that we are not utilizing or we are not implementing those laws. I'm sure that with more sensitization, with more awareness, some facilities will be providing to our special students on the campus.
Professor Nilofer also highlighted various reservations and facilities available for differently able persons in the university.
We from Department of Students' Welfare always advocate to have special rooms for our special students in the hostels. We are also advocating to have transport facilities in the university. We also advocate to have other facilities on the campus. I'm sure that inshallah one by one everything will be fulfilled, and for this I must say that we have full support from our administration, and inshallah we'll see that not only one sultan, many sultans will move forward. We are also trying to have the reservation for employment of our special students on the campus, whatever the employment policy of UGC or our other government circulars are there. We have moved a proposal in that direction also, so that due quota is given to our special students.
President, State Consumer Disputes Redressal Commission, Justice Retired B.A. Kirmani, while praising DSW for holding such a seminar, opined that universities can play an important role in highlighting problems of differently able persons.
Conference Dean Students Welfare University Shuruat, the University Mustakil Salak Banamus, Achavaria Zada Ahmed. Tikazi Yeheki Manikhal, Hekiak Markazi Nokta Benet, Uzani Salcher, universities, Yehiak Markazi Nokta Benet, Yet Mam das Muslimzana Yasmini Tor Mazur Afrad, Tehindi Khatr Kah Gasegasun. یہ خیال گنراونہٕ خٲطرٕ ہیٚکہِ یہِ سیل اکھ مرکزی نۄقطہٕ بٔنِتھ کیازِ یونیورسٹی چھِ تِژھ جاے ییٚتہِ پٮ۪ٹھ زَنہٕ نظریات تہٕ خیالات چھِ نٮ۪بر نیران اور گۄڈنِچ کتھ چھِ آسان کُنہِ تہِ چیٖزس منٛز کانٛہہ تہِ پروگرام آسہِ کانٛہہ تہِ مسلہٕ آسہِ گۄڈنِچ کتھ چھِ آسان ذہنی سطحس پٮ۪ٹھ سُہ سمجھُن معاملہٕ چھُ کیٛاہ تم پتہ تات علاج کرن کتنس کتنس ہیکو اس علاج کرت تمہ خاطر چھ یونیورسٹی ساروی کھوتہ زیادہ موزون تو موافقہ دار لہذا چھ بڑ جان تو چھ یہ سپیشل سیل بنامس.
He said that the government should take concrete steps for identifying differently able persons in the state.
مے چھ باسان ونس تام چھن سانس ریاستس مز خاص کر وادی مز سرکاری سطح پہ کانٛہہ کوشش گٔمٕژ مردم شماری مز یہ واضح کرنچ کہ اس کتیا چھ جسمانی طور معذور لوگ. مردم شماری مز چھ کینٛہہ اعداد و شمار تمو دتمت مگر تم چھ تیت وسیع تم چھ تیت یعنی چھنہ تم مستقل تم چھنہ بالکل صحیح ات حدس مز کی کہ اسی پورٕ ڈھانچہ نظر مز کیا گۄڈنِچ کتھ گٔژھ گژھٕنۍ یہ کہ خصوصاً گٔژھ اکھ مردم شماری گژھٕنۍ یِم زن جسمانی طور معذور انسان چھ. تمہ پتہٕ ہیکو تتھ یہ کرت کہ جسمانی معذوری ہند یُس زن پہلو سہ کیا کنس خدا تعالیٰ تھن ساروین وار یمن پہ کرن رحم کنس زنگہ ہند نقص کنس نرِ ہند نقص کنس کینچن انسان خدا تعالیٰ زیادہ رحم کورمت تمن ذہنی نقص یہندِ خاطر کیا ہیکو أسۍ کٔرِتھ. گۄڈنِچ کتھ یہ کہ حقیقت اکھ بڑ ٹھٹ حقیقت اکھ کہ ونکس سے بڑا انتہائی أکس کروٗٹھ بڑا مشکل تلخ وقتس من زندہ روزان. زندگی ییٖژ گۄبیمٕژ ییٖژ مشکل گٔمٕژ کہ پنٕنۍ بچہ چھ لُکن بور باسان. یتھ صورتحالس مز کیا چیز سہ تہ زن أسۍ وۄبدٲوِتھ ہیکو کہ اور کُن پیٚیہِ نظر یتھ خاتس کُن زن واریاہ بوٚڑ حصہٕ اکھ انسٲنیتُک چھُ.
Some students also performed on the occasion. Deputy Director of Directorate of Internal Quality Assurance, Mr. Shaukat Shafi, proposed vote of thanks, while as the student of Library Sciences, Ms. Noba, conducted proceeding of the function. The Center for Career Planning and Counseling, in collaboration with the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises, organized a 10-day entrepreneurship development program. The inaugural function was held at the university. Director CCPC Professor Farooq Ahmed Khan presented the welcome address.
We know the challenge which we are facing, our students are facing in terms of the job. The number is afflating year after year and there are no jobs. Our worthy Vice Chancellor, who is always looking after to find those kind of avenues where our students would not only look for the job, but they would create the job. If we look at the world scenario, we find that very small top leading entrepreneurs who have taken the lead at a very young age, and they are among the billionaires this time because of the change in the setup, particularly knowledge and technology.
Director MSME Mr. Virender Sharma in his address told participants that the need of the hour is to generate patterns for self-employment rather than waiting for government jobs.
If we have to generate our own income ourselves, we need to understand certain few things more, which probably we, being in a university, we don't get chance to learn those things. So this program, which you, for the 10 days program, probably this program will help you out. You have a goal, some of you must be keen to establish yourself, to make your own identity in the society. Some of you must be thinking that I'm not interested to go for government job. Probably I have that much of potential, and if I go for a self-employment, probably I'll be more creative. I'll be establishing myself in a better way. And there are quite a good examples also.
President FCIK, Mr. Ashraf Ahmad Mir, impressed upon participants that being self-employed is the best way to serve any society.
It gives you a sense to serve your society, your region, your locality, wherever you are. इकोनॉमिक डेवलपमेंट में आपका हाथ, आपके जोग्राफिकल डेवलपमेंट में जो जिस रीजन से आप आते हैं उसमें आपका हाथ, एम्प्लॉयमेंट जनरेशन में आपका सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट एंड इनडायरेक्ट जनरेशन एम्प्लॉयमेंट के हिसाब से आप अपने लिए भी जनरेट करते हैं और इनडायरेक्टली दूसरे घर की भी आप जहां से आप अपने लिए एम्प्लॉयमेंट लेते हैं उसको भी आप यूज बनाते हैं. दिस इज सर्विस टू द नेशन. जहां आप अपने लिए भी तनख्वाह, अपने खर्चा भी और दूसरी फैमिली जो इनडायरेक्टली 1/10 जो हम लेते हैं कि 10 फैमिली एक एंटरप्रेन्योर चला सकता है. इस ग्रोथ में जहां नेशनल बिल्डिंग का सवाल है, एक एंटरप्रेन्योर की कंट्रीब्यूशंस वास्ट हैं.
Dean Research Professor Sheikh Javed Ahmed, who was also chief guest on the occasion, said that there's a need to have collaborative projects and partnerships with industries in making higher education more effective and result-oriented.
Number of jobs, it is dwindling. Also, population is also growing exponentially. So we have to have this partnership. Without that, there won't be. There are no jobs in the government sector. Most of the progress I have the opportunity to be in US and in European countries. I see that most of the progress is made through partnership in the industry. Because if you go to any top university in the US, Harvard, 60% of the funding comes not from the government sector. It comes from the industry. Partnership, all the research projects that you have in those universities, it is funded by the industry.
Assistant Director MSME Engineer Shahil Alakban proposed a vote of thanks. Coordinator CCPC Mr. Muhammad Ayub Shah conducted proceeding of the function. The 10-day program will try to identify budding entrepreneurs and develop their skills and competences, besides providing them information about the government initiatives on promotion of entrepreneurship. To mark the International Anti-Corruption Day, the Department of Law, in collaboration with National Anti-Corruption Council, organized a day-long seminar. The seminar was held in the auditorium of Law Department. Head and Dean Faculty of Law, Professor Muhammad Ayub, in his welcome address said that despite having stringent laws in place, a lot more needs to be done to wipe out corruption in the government sector.
The level of corruption after the regime of information should have come at least to a low level, because all the governmental files are desecretized. The Official Secrecy Act has died and it has been replaced by the Right to Information Act. But even at this stage, things are secretized only to earn money out of it. And it's no one else. It's me, my brothers, my elders, my neighbors who are in the offices, who are committing the peak level of corruption. And it has definitely now turned to be part of our life.
Patron, National Anti-Corruption Council, Mr. Abdul Jabbar, opined that before we take pledge to fight corruption, we must earn through honest ways.
जो पाक रहा उसी ने फला पाया. अब पाकी जो है, पाकी में सबसे बुनियादी चीज़ जो है वो है रिज़्क़ हलाल। अगर हमारा रिज़्क़ हलाल है, हम हलाल और हराम में तमीज़ कर सकते हैं, तो सचमुच हमने ज़िंदगी का मकसद हासिल किया। अगर हलाल कमाई से हमारे जिस्म का गोश्त पोश्त बनता है, हम बड़े मोटे फरबे बन जाते हैं और फिर उसी गंदे खून से बच्चे पैदा होते हैं, तो उस समाज में ऐसी पैदावार जो है, जब तक न इस चीज़ को ठीक किया जाएगा, करप्शन का जो लफ्ज़ है इसको हटाया नहीं जा सकता।
State President of the NACC, Mr. Muhammad Ashraf, said that voluntary efforts by the students of law are important to make our society corruption free.
हमारा मकसद है, जो एक बीमारी है, बहुत ही खतरनाक बीमारी जो है, हमारी पूरी रियासत को उसने लपेट लिया। अल्लाह बचाए, कैंसर जिसको हम कहते हैं, ये बीमारी उससे भी बढ़कर है। अल्लाह बचाए। क्या हम कर सकते हैं? क्या आप लोग कर सकते हैं? बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं, लेकिन ये तभी मुमकिन हो सकता है जब हम और करें कि आज से हम एक आवाज उठाएंगे, ताकि हम इस लड़ाई को जारी रख के तब तक जारी रखेंगे जब तक हमारे अंदर सांस बाकी है।
Senior faculty member Dr. Farid Ahmed Rafiqi proposed vote of thanks. Some students from Salfia Education Institute, Srinagar, also presented their views.
Any act that does not allow political, social or moral norms of the society is an act of corruption. A thing which is eating our country in the vital is corruption. It's not so much from anti-elements, but from the so-called most respectable persons that we have the real danger.
Fraud, nepotism, abuse of power, etc. all comes in corruption. A corrupt act is often, but not necessarily, illegal. In handling corruption, you will often face a grey zone. In many countries, corruption is everywhere.
Mr. Yasir Handu conducted proceeding of the function. With this, we come to the end of today's program. In case you have missed some part of quiz, log on to our website emmrckashmir.com, where you can watch it. Send your suggestions at our email address quiz@emmrckashmir.com. Before I take you leave, here are a few words of wisdom. The philosophy of the schoolroom in one generation will be the philosophy of garment in the next.